Hello, hey, everyone. I'm going to talk really fast because I told the Lightning Talk organizers I could do this in 1 minute instead of 5. So hello, I'm Al Sweigart. I'm mostly known for writing this book. It's a Python programming book for complete beginners, but I don't want to talk about this book. I want to talk about this book, Basic Computer Games, which was published in 1983, and it taught the basic programming language. Actually, it didn't really teach anything about programming. It just had the source code to about 100 different games. All of these games just used text. They had no graphics whatsoever. All you had to do was just copy all the lines of code from the book into your computer and then run them, and then they wouldn't work because they were all buggy and not commented well. But I thought, hey, that's a great idea. Not the bugginess, but creating really simple text-based games. So this weekend at Oakland's Video Game Museum, the MADE, the Museum of Art and Digital Entertainment, we are hosting the STDIO Game Jam, and we want to spend the entire weekend creating a bunch of games that are, 1, under 250 lines of code, 2, only use standard input and output text streams. They don't have any graphics. They don't use the curses module or anything. It's just text streams. And 3 are, I've completely forgotten the third thing. Oh, right, 3, you can program them in any programming language, but you have to use the language's standard library. So you don't have to install Unity or any game framework. There's no complex framework, like environment configuration or anything. And the entire point of this is so that we get a huge set of games that are really small but also complete that we can show new programmers, because a lot of new programmers will say, how can I get better at programming? And we tell them, well, look at some open source projects, and that's terrible advice because most open source projects are huge or they're not documented very well. Or they're just really complicated and they're meant for like professional software developers. So we want to create a bunch of games that are really simple and easy to understand for beginners. You can participate at the museum itself in Oakland. We're on 3400 Broadway. Or you can participate online. Just go to the website to find out, themade.org. Thank you very much.